Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist. Ngayon, sasagutin ko ang ilan sa inyong mga katanungan. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Doc, magtatanong lang po ako. Ano po ang ginagawa sa mga case ng azoospermia? Salamat po. Okay, ang azoospermia kasi is no sperm count. Kasi ang low sperm count kasi is oligospermia. So, anong ginagawa? It's a male fertility workup. Dapat i-examine muna natin ang hormones natin. Tingnan natin kung bakit through these hormones hindi na-stimulate ang testicles mo to produce adequate sperm cells o yung process ng spermatogenesis. It could be at the level of genetics ang problem. It could be at the level of differential yung hormone level stimulation mo, yung mga feedback effect mo, baka hindi adequate. Or it could be at the level ng organ system natin is not producing much of your sperm cell, no? So, kailangan i-determine natin through the following test bago natin masasabi na truly it's a complete azoospermia. Doc, pag masakit po ang tagiliran sa kaliwang gilid ng tiyan, connected po ba sa UTI? Okay. Flank pain or sakit sa tagiliran, yes, it could be UTI, especially if it's an acute onset UTI. If it's a chronic type of UTI, pwedeng yung pain mo is intermittent, no? So, pwede yan magkaroon ng ganyang problema. Besides UTI, alam natin naman ang problema sa kidney stones is very, very common, especially sa Pilipinas. So, we have to consider also that, no? Then, less of the fact that yung mga congenital, di ba? We have congenital renal pelvis, di ba? So, pwedeng magkaroon rin ng problems yan. Or infection per se can cause also pain in the tagiliran, okay? So, anong other symptoms na pwede nating i-look out? Besides the pain, of course, via urinalysis, makikita natin kung may UTI talaga. Pag ihirin natin, kailangan masubaybayan natin, is it strong, the volume, kung may dugo, or mahapdi, no? Doon natin makakwalify if it's UTI or something else like urethral stones or kidney stones, okay? Doc, pwede po ba sa anemia ang spirulina? Yes, you can. But of course, you have to be under close monitoring of a hematologist kasi siyempre, check natin. Now, if you are secondary to a nutritional anemia, pwede yan because not only does it have complete nutrients, meron din siyang mga iron which is very, very good for your blood system. Okay? For the congenital one, ibig sabihin may problema sa blood system, then you have to look into the management of your specialist. Then your spirulina could be a supplement also. Okay? Hanggang dito muna at kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, i-post nyo lang ang question nyo dito sa comment box below. Dahil dito sa aking channel, tanong nyo, sagot ko. Muli ako po ang inyong Twilight-friendly urologist na si Dr. Joseph Lee saying hello but never goodbye. Thank you for watching.